Okay, now we are in the experimental kit. This is the called universal breadboard system. This is the universal breadboard system. There are two breadboard. This is a this is called breadboard. This is the first breadboard, and this is the another breadboard. There are two breadboard in this system. Okay, we can use external breadboard. External breadboard. First of all, we see the connection of breadboard. Okay, this is the breadboard. There are two type of points. There are two type of points. This is the vertical points. This is the vertical points. All of you see, this is the vertical points. There are five points, and this is the horizontal points. There also have 5 points, but this 5 and this from this 5 to this 5, this 25 pins, total 25 pins are connected, internally connected. We showed you, this is this, you see, this 25 pins are internally connected, and the below 25 pins are all also internally connected, and similarly in the left side. Okay, and similarly the bottom point, this bottom horizontal pins are connected, this 25, 25, 25 and 25, and the vertical pins, these 5 pins are connected separately. These 5 pins are connected separately. You see this 5 pins are internally connected separately, and there are no connection with this 5 pin in this breadboard. Okay, and similarly these 5 pins and vice versa. Okay, all of you understood? All of you understood? Okay, this is the internal architecture of the breadboard. Okay. If we place a IC in this breadboard, we have to place this type, not this type. If we place this type, so the internal connection will be shorted. The one pin, pin number 1 and pin number 14 will be shorted. Pin number 2, 13 shorted. Pin number 3 and 12 shorted, and ongoing this. So we have to place this type. If we place this type, then the bottom pin and top pins are separated. Okay, so we have to place this. Now the circuit is, first extent is implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. So expression as y equal to x bar, and the circuit is, we already marked the pin number. The pin number 1 and 2 are shorted. Okay, and the our input we take from this shorted point. So we do this circuit. First of all, we short pin number 1 and 2. Pin number 1 and 2. Okay, so pin number 1, all of you see this, pin number 1 and 2 we have shorted, and the input from this shorting point, inputs from this shorting point. Okay, and from where we get the output? From pin number 3. Okay, from pin number 3 we get the output from pin number 3. Okay, so our circuit is fully complete. Then we place this, we apply the circuit, the input and output and source, supply source. Okay, first of all, the we need to know the pins of this kit. This is the input pin, and there have switch is called input lines logic switches. Okay, the switch, when we give the 0 logic 0, then the switch like this, and when we give the logic high, logic high, it means 1. Okay, the switch direction is this. Okay, and we get the output from this point. We use this point as an input and this point as an output. They are connected. The LED will show the output. Okay, and there are plus 5 points, 5 volt plus 5 volt, which use as a supply voltage of the IC, and this is the ground. This is the all another 50 plus 15 voltage, and this is a negative 15 voltage. This is ground, but we not require that. We require plus 5 volt for this IC. Okay, this is the power switch of the kit. Now we place the input. This is the input connected to the first point, and this is the output. Already we told that this point uses the output, and connect this point connected to the LED. Okay, now the vital point, we have to connect the supply voltage plus 5 voltage as a DC voltage as a supply. This is the 14 pin number 14. Okay, and the ground goes to pin number 7. Okay, the circuit complete. Now we on the power supply of the kit. Okay, when we give a 0, let's see, this is the, when it gives 0, the output will be high. The output will be high. Below the LED to denote the output will be high. When input is low, input is high, output LED gets off, so output will be low. So it's proved the truth table of NOT gate. When give 0, output will be 1. When give 1, output will be 0. Okay, now we will do the next circuit. Okay, next circuit is implementation of AND gate using NAND gate. This is circuit. This is the circuit. First of all, this is, they are marked the pin number 1 and 2 and output 3, and then 4 and 5 is short and the output 6. This is in this pin number we will get the final output. Okay, first of all, we short, you see that we short the pin number 4 and 5, pin number 4 and 5. Let's see, we have shorted pin number 4 and 5, and from this 4 and 5 or 4 or 5 we connect with the pin number 3. Okay, let's see, pin number 3, 4 or 5 we connect from 4 to 3. Okay, 4 to 3, and from Pin number 1 we give a single input, and pin number 2 give another input. Okay, so pin number 1 connect with the input, and pin number 2 connect with another input. Okay, and the output from pin number 6. All of you see that the output, final output from pin number 6. Okay, so final output from pin number 6. So already we connect the power supply and ground also. So let's check the truth table, and okay, there is a truth table of AND. First of all, 0 0, there are already 0 0 position, so 0 0 output will be 0. Okay, and 0 1, 0 1 output will be 0, and 1 0 output will be 0, and 1 1 output will be 1 or high. You see the LED glow. Okay, so this is the AND gate. Next we design the OR gate using NAND gate. Let's next circuit. Okay, so we remove the wire. Next circuit is, see this circuit, all of you see. Pin number 1 and 2 are shorted and give a input from pin number 1 or 2. So pin number 1 or 2 are shorted. Pin number 1 and 2 are shorted. Pin number 1, pin number 1, see, pin number 1 and 2 are shorted. Okay, this is the single thread wire which suitable for breadboard to connect the point of the breadboard. Okay, now we have to connect pin number 4 and 5 and give the second input. Pin number 4 and 5. Let's see the pin number 4 and 5. Pin number 4 and 5. Okay, now we give a input, first input A, first input, all of you see, first input pin number 1, as it is shorted with pin number 2. Okay, and the next input from B to the pin number 4, from B to pin number 4. Okay, and the output from 3 and 6 will go to the pin number 9 and 10. So we have to short from 3 to 9, from 3 to 9 and 6 to 10. We have to short from 3 to 9 and from 6 to 10. Okay, now we have to connect the output. This is the output from pin number 8. All of you see output from pin number 8. So this is the pin number 8. Okay, now we connect the this ground to pin number 7 and also VCC to pin number 14. Okay, now the circuit is complete. Now we on the power of the kit. Okay, now first of all to check the truth table. When A and B are 0, then output 0. So A and B already 0 position, the output already. If you see, you can see the output is 0. They have no glow the LED. And when input 0 and 1, 0 and B 1, the output will glow. Okay. Next 1 0, the output glows. It means output high or 1. And when the input both are input high, the output are also high. Okay, so you check the IC or you check this circuit or you design this circuit like this. Okay, thank you.